Hello, here I'm doing a test of the Hantek CC-65 current probe, bought on AliExpress. And I'm testing this in a 50 ohm dummy load, and I'm using a generator that has 50 ohm output impedance. And this is now terminated in a 50 ohm dummy load. I'm measuring the current into the dummy load. The amplitude is 10 volts, and the frequency I will start with is 1 kilohertz. And I'm now measuring with the Hantek CC-65 output connected to my scope. So we see the sine response is not so bad. There is a little bit noise on the measurement signal, but one thing that is a problem is we see here that there's a DC offset on the measurement. So if I zero the instrument, now you see that DC offset is null, so there is a drift on this instrument, and I've checked that. It takes some time before that drift goes down again. So this is a problem that has been described by several sources on the internet. Just to check the frequency response, I'm now, as I mentioned, at 1 kilohertz. Now I'm going to sweep this frequency up. So now I'm now at 4 kilohertz, 8, 9, 10, 12, 23, 27, 30 kilohertz, 35 kilohertz. It looks like the half point is around 35 kilohertz. So above that it's probably not so good. I'm going down now again to 1 kilohertz. Sorry about the sync. I can test with a square wave. As we see here, there is a little bit noise, but 1 kilohertz square wave doesn't look so bad. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me change the time base a little bit here. As we see, when I'm 9 kilohertz, it's starting to get rounded off a little bit. Around 16 kilohertz. Looks like it's quite rounded. So in practice, if you want to measure current in a SM PSU or something like that, anything above, let's say, anything above maybe 10 kilohertz is questionable. And again, there is a problem with the offset here. As you see now, the bottom trace is at minus 13, the top trace is at 8, and I hit the reset. So now it's symmetric. So it's best to be aware of that. Again, this is just the Hantek CC-65 probe.